And what's an arc?
An arc second is 1/60th of a minute of degree of arc.
So it's tiny.
Tiny. Yeah.
And then
Right. A parsec.
parsec.
A parsec is the distance at which the radius of the orbit of the Earth is 1 degree. Or 1 arc second, I forget which one. Yeah, it's really big. Yeah. It's about 3 point something light years. Other questions? No other questions?
I can't find any stars.
What's that?
I can't find any stars. I've only found one star when I look at it.
Yeah, okay. So the whole moon thing that didn't work out this month, we may try that again in November, okay? So what was going on this month was the humidity was too high. Right? You know how when a car comes at you in the fog and you get this bright halo around the car from its lights? That was what was happening with the moon. So the moon was too bright with too much humidity for you to actually see any stars near the moon. Thursday, I had a telescope set up looking at the moon. I put a filter on to get rid of some of that, and I managed to barely see one star. Right?
We can see them before the next lab. Do you want us to like?
Yeah, anytime, Allison, I don't know, but anytime you get to where you can watch that happen, I want you to try and do that. So sometime over the next month, humidity should, as it gets cooler, the humidity should drop. Right? And it should be easier and easier to do. But, you know, this one just didn't quite work out. We had no rain and high humidity, and that was just sort of bad. Now, once all this rain is gone, the humidity should be lower. We should be in a better position to actually see something. And if you guys want to start getting up at 6 in the morning, we can start looking at some planets.
How often would you do it?
How often would I do that? What I've got to find is, it would be best if like I could take a Friday evening or a Thursday evening and have things set up. You know, that's still, unfortunately, the planets aren't in a good position for us to see it all unless we get up early. What's that?
Should like 4.
Yeah, like 4. Yeah. And so we have to kind of deal with the hand we're dealt in astronomy, you know. If we could, well, what I want to do, what I would like for Delta State to eventually be able to do, we have a new telescope we haven't set up yet because it needs a dome. It needs to go in a little observatory. And it can be computer controlled, and it can have cameras attached to it. And it would be lovely if we had that, because then we could film things happening and show it later. All right, any questions? Thoughts? No? All right, I'll see you guys on Thursday.